If your taxes were raisins, you'd be an ancient Israelite. Let's get some crazy trivia rolling. In 1000 BC, Israelites paid their taxes in what? You have 10 seconds to guess. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gold? Nope. Silver? Nah. Wheat? Not quite. Excited. It was raisins. Yes, those wrinkly little fruits were tax currency. Laugh. Fast forward to 1999. 470. Chinese were injured by what? 10 seconds to guess again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fireworks? Wrong. Earthquake? No. Flood? Not this time. Shocked. It was exploding beer bottles. Talk about a party foul. Laugh. From raisins as taxes to beer bottle explosions, history sure has its quirks. Stay tuned for more surprising facts. Like, share, and subscribe for your daily dose of trivia.